Hello viewers, welcome to Swift for tutorial for beginners. Today I will describe about Swift class. So what is Swift class? Swift has another way to building complex data type called classes. It's look similar to stack but have number of important difference with stack. Stack you don't get automatic number wise initialize of your classes, you need write its own. You can define class being base of another class, adding new thing you want. So here we have defined the class the person two properties, one is cloth and one is string, and this is initialize. If you not set the initialize of your class, then this class will be get error. There are two way we can make a class. There are three solution. Three solution and three way you can make a class. Make two value optional listing, give them default value, or write your own initializer. The first is it introduce optional over your code where they don't need to be. The second option work but is bit wasteful unless those default value will actually use. Write on is initialize on class. Now we will make a new class, suppose class temp person. Suppose our class 10%. So now we will set the properties. Cloth is string type variable, and bar shoes string. So this temp class, this showing the class temp person has no initializer because we have set two properties, cloth and shoes, but it required to set the initializer. Initializer is Swift defined by init and then parameters, suppose cloth string and another parameter shows string. We have set the we have defined the init method of temp person class. Here is the showing the return from initializer without initialize all start property. So it needs set the initialize below self cloth. If we use this variable in anywhere in this class, then we will the Swift main basic the keyword is self dot variable. By this self keyword get the access the any variable in this within class. This self cloth is here this variable, and in it then we set the cloth variable, and then we second variable is shoes, Okay, then this initialize is now we set the correct way. Another one thing, when we define the class, at first we need set the init method, and then you set your any function, suppose data print data. Here we will print clothes cloth variable. So we have defined the function in class. So now we will see the how we can create object a temp person class. Bar temp per, this is the temp person class object. Now we will call the temp person class person temp person. Here is the init two parameter initializer. One is cloth. We set the cloth below, suppose tailor, and second one set the below, suppose high heel. By this object, we can access the method of temp person class. How we can access the method? Temp person object. We can set the name object dot print data. So here is the swift main definition of the class, and today I have covered the how we can declare the class, and how we can set the variable, and how we can define the function in a method, and then how we can create the object of this class, and how we can access the property of function by this object, by this class object. Thank you so much.